Madeline Schizas is a Canadian figure skater. He went on to compete on the 2025 to 2026 Grand Prix circuit, finished ninth at 2025 Skate Canada International. Following the event, Schizas opted to return to her The Lion King short program at the behest to Skate Canada. Going on to compete at 2025 Finlandia Trophy, she placed third in the short program and fifth in the free skate, finished fifth overall. In January, Schizas competed at the 2026 Canadian Championships, winning her fourth national title. She was subsequently named to the 2026 Winter Olympic team. In June 2025, Schizas shared that she had intended to keep her The Lion King short program for the upcoming Olympic session, but due to quoted fees being issued to her by the Walt Disney Company for clearance rights, she opted to have a new short program created. As a result, she decided to reuse her 2022 to 2023 short program Black Swan. Schizas opened her session by competing on the Challenger Series, finishing 10th at 2025 CS Kinosthea Group Cup and winning bronze at the 2025 CS Danish 10 Memorial Challenge. She is a three-time ISU Challenger Series bronze medalist in 2022 International Challenge Cup bronze medalist and four-time Canadian national champion and represent Canada at the 2022 Winter Olympics. She won her first national title in 2022 and went on the represent Canada at the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. At Beijing 2022, she was a key contributor to Canada's fourth place finish in the team event, finishing second in both the women's short program and free skate portion of the competition. She placed 18th in the women's single event.